fly, probably end up somewhere in paradise. I believe that if I fly, I'll probably end up somewhere in paradise.
Chancellor the rapper, Chatham the hood, Santa the children, had to bag up the goods. They say I'm saving my city, say I'm staying for good. They screaming channel for mayor, I'm thinking maybe I should. Fucked off you A&R, told them bitch I can't wipe you. Told your ass since day one, I don't like labels or titles. I'm a wascally wabbit, I know that tricks is for addicts that need fixes for habits, in love with carrots and cabbage. I'm a savage, established, bad bitch magnet, I'm magic. Your majesty, I'm majestic. I think my message is massive. Think you passive aggressive, I think you passed up your prime. Think you passed up your chance to be chance, now pass it to A-Rap. I should've rhymed it with rhyme. Ain't we been here before? Ain't my principal told me that I can't rap at that show? Then I rapped at that show. Simple as that. Got a complex from complex, all but the simplest raps. And it goes like,
fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I need a choir.
I believe that if I fly, probably end up somewhere in paradise. I believe that if I fly, I'll probably end up somewhere in paradise.
blow at your speakers, roll some more loud. That's the sound of the reefer. I think my parents is proud. Think my fans in the bleachers. Think my teachers need features. I think I'm walking to Jesus. I knew my feet wouldn't drown. I've been close to the edge. I've been tripping and stuff. Somebody slip me or Mickey, but I ain't giving a fuck. Really? A milli? How about 6 billion more? Or I'm outie like Hottie, cut that on Billy Cocord. Cause I smoke urban, it's uber suburban, dressed in an urban outfitter shirt and burgundy pair of Jordans. I asked the acid if words was worth worrying over. Her explanation seemed agitated. She said, let me answer your question with some questions questioning yours. Like why the devil can't get you, and why these labels can't catch you, and why he make you so special, why did he bless you? Think about it. I woke up this morning. Gotta smile when I say that shit. Woke up this morning. Go!
Fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I need a choir.
I believe that somewhere out there for us all there's a paradise. There is a paradise. I believe that if I die, I'll see my homie somewhere in paradise. Somewhere in paradise.
Fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I need a choir.
I believe that if I fly, probably end up somewhere in paradise. I believe that if I fly, I'll probably end up somewhere in paradise.
Chancellor the rapper, Chatham the hood, Santa the children, had to bag up the goods. They say I'm saving my city, say I'm staying for good. They screaming channel for mayor, I'm thinking maybe I should. Fucked off you A&R, told them bitch I can't wipe you. Told your ass since day one, I don't like labels or titles. I'm a wascally wabbit, I know that tricks is for addicts that need fixes for habits, in love with carrots and cabbage. I'm a savage, established, bad bitch magnet, I'm magic, your majesty, I'm majestic. I think my message is massive, think you passive aggressive, I think you passed up your prime. Think you passed up your chance to be chance, now pass it to A-Rap. I should've rhymed it with rhyme. Ain't we been here before? Ain't my principal told me that I can't rap at that show? Then I rapped at that show. Simple as that. Got a complex from complex, all for the simplest raps. And it goes like,
Fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I need a choir.
I believe that if I fly, probably end up somewhere in paradise. I believe that if I fly, I'll probably end up somewhere in paradise.
blow at your speakers, roll some more loud. That's the sound of the reefer. I think my parents is proud. Think my fans in the bleachers. Think my teachers need features. I think I'm walking to Jesus. I knew my feet wouldn't drown. I've been close to the edge. I've been tripping and stuff. Somebody slip me or make me, but I ain't giving a fuck. Really? A milli? How about 6 billion more? Or I'm outie like Hottie, cut that umbilical cord. Cause I smoke urban, it's Uber suburban, dressed in an urban outfitter shirt and burgundy pair of Jordans. I asked the acid if words was worth worrying over. Her explanation seemed agitated. She said, let me answer your question with some questions questioning yours. Like why the devil can't get you, and why these labels can't catch you, and why they make you so special, why did he bless you? Think about it. I woke up this morning. Gotta smile when I say that shit. Woke up this morning. Go!
Fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I need a choir.
I believe that somewhere out there for us all there's a paradise. There is a paradise. I believe that if I die, I'll see my homie somewhere in paradise. Somewhere in paradise.
Fanning the fire, hands is up higher, can I believe it? Damn, I'm a rider. Riding on 20s, 20 years prior, I couldn't buy her. Forget it, you get it, God is so awesome, devil's a liar. Take him to church, but I